Step into the Chrysler 2016 Town & Country Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio, 430. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.